Digital transformation paves the way to augment frontline worker performance. Introduction of wearable computing and voice commands made life much easier for frontline workers. Receiving on-demand contextual information and entering data from the worksite shortened processes, reduce data entry errors, and increase worker awareness on the job. However, transformation projects are often too complex. Tools utilized are costly and take a long time to implement. Taskamo Works is here to change that forever. Works has an easy-to-use web-based admin portal to author and publish any type of workflows, such as standard operating procedures, audit and quality control checklists, on-the-job training programs, or digital user manuals. Meet Eric. Eric is a quality assurance supervisor working in a manufacturing facility. He uses the Flow Editor on Taskamo Works to create a quality control checklist on Works. Even if he can create tasks on Works, today he prefers to import readily available workflows and tasks from Excel. Using Flow Editor, Eric can control so many things on a task, like choose among various task screen layouts just like PowerPoint templates, associate tasks with multiple support media or PDF documents, have Works speak selected task title in user's preferred language, record video from a head-worn wearable device while the user follows on-screen tasks, have the user enter segmented data like numeric values, dates, QR codes, capture photos, record media, and many more. Eric can even enter input validation limits in order to reduce his colleagues' potential input errors. Eric knows that Taskamo Works also integrates with any legacy systems like SAP, Oracle, or IBM Maximo to trigger automatic assignments to users. After setting all task controls on the workflow, Eric now publishes the workflow and prefers to create a manual work order assigned to John. John is a quality control staff working in Eric's team. John can reach his assignments using any Android mobile device or wearable like wrist computer, smartwatch, or smart glasses. John starts his shift. He grabs a RealWear wearable tablet and checks newly assigned work orders. He also notices partially completed works that he couldn't complete yesterday. He starts a new assignment by simple voice commands. Having both hands free, he can lift objects, use tools, or even drive while following step-by-step procedures, no matter how long or complex they are. John isn't worried about connectivity in the workshop. He knows that even if he works in an area with no Wi-Fi connectivity, Taskamo Works still records his activities and automatically sends all data to server when he's online. When John's shift is over, Eric, as John's supervisor, doesn't need to check Admin Portal to see what John has completed today because he receives pre-formatted work reports by email once John completes each assignment. If he sees an issue, he can drill down to issue descriptions and media that John entered during his shift. As simple as that. Try Taskamo Works for free today and witness the revolution augmenting frontline worker visibility and performance.